Hi, Wesley, the Gizmo Guy here. Today I'm going to show you how you can bring up to date of this 2011 Honda Pilot stock radio. The 2011 Honda Pilot come with the CD changer with AM and FM, but it does not have Bluetooth capability. What we're going to do is we're going to add Bluetooth capability to this factory stock radio. What you do not need to replace the radio. You do not need to do any kind of modification to your 2011 Honda Pilot stock radio. All you got to do is get my gadget. This is what my gadget looks like from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. From GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth capability to any older car factory radio without removing the head units or doing any sort of modification. Simply by connecting my device onto your car, that's all you have to do. Then you will be able to enjoy streaming music, talk radio. You will be able to enjoy streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as adding GPS navigation to your stock factory radio of 2011 Honda Pilot. This is the quickest and the easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to this factory radio right here. Let me show you how. So first, we set the car, turn on the ignition. Set your car radio to 87.9. That's all you have to do. Now you can hear that there's a lot of static coming through. Now we're gonna plug in my device onto the car. This is what my device look like. One end of it is the control unit. The other end come with two wires. One wire with two split ends. One is for USB, the other one's for aux. We'll connect the USB to the Sacred charger like this. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now we just plug it in and listen. Now we're gonna plug it into this car for power.
Power on. Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do to add Bluetooth capability to your Honda 2011 Honda Pilot factory radio. You do not need a new radio. You do not need to do any sort of modification. All your control will be exactly the same. And you basically are able to add your smartphone features right through your factory radio right here. This is the quickest and easiest way to add Bluetooth capability to any older car factory radio. Your music will be crystal clear without static. So this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. You get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Essentially, my gadget will make your car as smart as your new smartphone. All you got to do is connect my device into your car, and you will be able to you will be able to enjoy streaming music, talk hands-free, as well as GPS navigations from your smartphone right through your older car factory radio. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.